Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to insert SIM cards in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to the bottom side of your phone. See here, you will find a hole here. In this hole, you go to insert SIM ejector tool. Bring SIM ejector tool and insert SIM ejector tool here. Insert here and push down into the hole. This SIM tray will be coming out, and take it out from your phone. Now keep your phone aside and see in the SIM slot. See here, SIM tray has two slots. The front side one slot, and in the back side it has another slot. Okay, in the front side put one nano SIM. Bring any nano SIM here and insert. Bring nano SIM and insert in this position. Okay, and flip to the back side, and here insert another SIM card. Here insert another SIM card in this position. Now bring your phone and insert this tray into your phone. Keep your tray in this position and bring your phone and insert this tray into your phone here. Insert like this, and now check your phone. Two SIM cards will be detected. See here, two SIM cards are showing here, so they have been successfully inserted into your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.